But it couldn't handle your shit. I can tell it wasn't gonna work. She gon' spend it all on the purse. Her hair and toes done too. What is he done for you? I might just blow it all on you. I'm the one you call on to. Fall back and fall on you.
It's another time, another world, another life. Thank God I found the good in the bad. I used to want you so bad.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So this video has been crazy making. I had lost footage that I already made for y'all, but it's okay. So right now I'm adding 2 quarts of chicken broth to my pot, and I'm gonna bring it to a boil. And you can use water if you don't want to use chicken broth, that's fine. I just like chicken broth, it brings flavor. So here's all the seasons I'm using. If you don't use any of these seasons, y'all, please just make sure y'all get the chicken cubes. I think they call chicken bouillon cubes. They like $5 or less. They give you that chicken flavor for your soup. You gotta have that. You don't have to use both of them, at least use one. So I already put my chicken wings into the chicken broth and seasoned and put the cubes in. Now that they tender enough for me, I'm going to add my wide egg noodles. And I'm just going to stir them all in so we can start cooking those noodles. And y'all, I love this recipe if you're getting over a cold, or if you just know it's fall season, so you know you want some comfort food. This is definitely my go-to. Okay, so now that my soup is thick and ready and my noodles has widened, I added my canned veggies, and it's just sweet peas, string beans, carrots, and corn. And I'm mixing them all up and letting them cook for another 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna be done. I also made some honey buttered cornbread to go with this. And you know I had to be using my hot sauce, y'all. So yeah, now my noodles are definitely done. My soup is completed. And it was so good, y'all. Like, this is definitely a recipe y'all have to try for your family. It will last y'all about 2 days if you just don't feel like cooking. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and I'll see you guys next video.
Fall back and fall on with it. Shawty ain't scared. Shawty ain't scared.